Hey there guys, Tim here from Concise Tech. I recently got this GoPro Hero 8 Black, and pretty much nowadays anytime you get a new device like this, one of the things that you typically have to do is you either got to buy a package that includes more batteries, or you need to find some on your own and piece something together, because typically what happens is with one battery, that's not really enough to do what you want to do with the device, whether it's this, whether it's a drone. So I knew I was going to need more batteries for this, and I started looking for some batteries. I think I found some good ones, so I'm going to share those with you here today. So the regular GoPro Hero 8 Black package just comes with one battery. That is it. Depending on kind of what you're using that for, like 1080p, you can get about 2 hours of battery life or so, it seems. You know, higher settings and some of the, more like time warp, time lapses, things like that, shooting 4K footage, you're going to get less. So you definitely want to have multiple batteries, especially if you're going to use it throughout the day, if you're going to use it for vlogging and things like that. And I got this for that. I wanted to try, doing a little bit of vlogging with it, maybe using it for some videos and that kind of stuff. So I wanted to have at least probably 3 batteries. So I actually got lucky when I bought this. It came with a second battery. They were doing a sale. There's another seller online that has a 3-pack, and it's cool because it comes with the charger as well. So I actually bought this same brand with my Canon SX730 camera, which is like a point and shoot and zoom camera, and I recognized right away this orange battery. It's orange and an aqua blue, and the company is Vemeco. So it says on here for Hero 5, 6, 7, and 8, and this is actually a 1500 milliamp hour battery, which is awesome because the other batteries that come with the GoPro are just 1220 milliamp hours. So it's actually less than these replacement batteries. And one of the main problems that you have with the actual replacement batteries for this GoPro Hero 8 Black is because of some of the different settings, and you get like the time warp and some of the stabilization features and things like that. You basically need to have the actual GoPro Hero 8 battery, or else you're going to get a battery notice that says that all the features aren't supported, and basically you're not going to get the full camera performance. Because the GoPro Hero 8 Black is backwards compatible, like you can use, the 7s or the 6s batteries in here, but that's the message that you're gonna get. Upon initial startup, it'll tell you that, and then you have to hit OK and acknowledge that. The cool thing about these batteries, these Vemeco ones, are that they're still a third-party battery, but they actually work without getting that disclaimer message at all. So it's cool because it basically recognizes it just like it would an actual GoPro battery, and the battery life on these are great still and everything. Like I said, there's actually more battery capacity in these batteries than there actually is in the stock GoPro battery. So I highly recommend them. I think definitely check them out. It comes in a 3-pack, and the price for them is pretty darn good for getting that 3-pack. You get the 3-pack and the charger, and then that charger will also charge the GoPro, brand name batteries as well. So you can stick those in there as well, because, these can last from anywhere from, really an hour to 2 hours probably, realistic time frame, because there will be some drain sometimes too, I've noticed with this. That's one of my biggest gripes, is that this does seem to kind of discharge a little bit when it's off. If you have Wi-Fi connection on and stuff, I've read forums and stuff saying that there will be some drain possibly by having some of those settings on. Having the 5 batteries like I have right now, or at least getting 4 batteries if you basically buy this pack, and then you get at least the one that comes with it, I think is a great setup. So guys, that link will be down here below in the description. Check that out. That's going to be an Amazon affiliate link. It does help me out if you purchase through there. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button down there below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.